Welcome. Today I'm with JBL Live Free Noise Cancelling Plus earbuds, and I'll show you how you can connect them with your iPhone. Before the pairing, you have to remember to charge your case and earbuds at least to the 50% and be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data. So right now, the first step, we have to open the App Store, tap on the search pool and find the JBL headphones application. We have to get this application, so let's download. Now just be patient and wait a little bit until the download will be. Right now we can open the application. We have to accept the permission that pops on the screen. We have to go for the settings and enable the Bluetooth. We can also make it from the control center. Accept this stuff, click start. And right now we have to open the case with our earbuds. We have to take them off, put them like that. Click on the plus. And right now we can simply find our device if it's not detected automatically, like in my case. So unfortunately, for some reason they are not appears on the list. So we can drag. Okay, when they are not here, we can simply go for the settings and pair them manually. So let's open the Bluetooth. Select our JBL Live Free Noise Cancelling headphones. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So we can try to go back to the application. And right now they appears on the list. So if you have the same problem, so they are not detected automatically in the application, you can just make it through the Bluetooth settings. So right now we can click to get started, but we can also skip all of these steps. And there it is. As you can see right now, we are on the JBL application. We can find the battery level, we can turn on or turn off the noise cancelling, ambient sound control, and also other things like equalizer and the other settings that you can find in this place. So basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.